Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm super excited to give you a look at this travel makeup case with lights. So this is the pink color option, and I mean, it's absolutely adorable. It has this rigid ABS material outside with some aluminum detailing here where the two sides come together and for the latches. And it's got a nice little handle. It looks like an adorable little briefcase. It is so stinking cute. On the bottom, you do have some little feet here, so it has a soft elevated space to sit, and the latches feel nice and secure. So when you open it up, you'll see the mirror here and the lights here on the side, and at the bottom in the middle is the button to control that. So there are 3 different options, but it is adjustable. So when you tap it on, it will put it on one of the light settings. This is the warm color option. And then there's cool and neutral. And then you can adjust the brightness levels by long pressing. So that dims down, and then you can brighten it back up. And you can do that on each color setting. And it is super adjustable as well. You can fully control the angle. And then here on the bottom where you have your makeup storage area, you have these 2 little flaps that have this faux leather-like cover. So it would be super easy to clean off and care for. And when you open that up, you have some brush storage on both sides. You have some for bigger brushes and some for smaller brushes. And the inside material is also that ABS plastic. So you are not going to have to worry about leaks. It's going to be a breeze to clean if there is a mess, or say you can't wash your brushes right away before they get packed up. It's going to be easy to wipe off and get cleaned in between use. And I love that there's the little sections here so you can very easily categorize things. And it does come with a little magnification mirror as well. And they do provide you with a charger for this. It just takes a USB-C, and the charge port is here on the front. There's a little silicone cover here that can be pulled out to expose that charge port. So this is going to be such a handy tool, whether you are a makeup artist and you need something small to travel with, or if you just simply want something extra durable and easy to care for and clean. So if that's something you were looking for, I would definitely give this a try.